Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, they've issued a tropical cyclone formation alert for Invest 91P or Tropical Disturbance 06F. Tropical cyclone formation is possible within 140 nautical miles either side of a line from 13.6 degrees south, 163.7 degrees east to 17.5 south, 163.6 east within the next 12 to 24 hours. Available data does not justify issuance of a tropical cyclone warning at this point in time. Winds in the area estimated to be 25 to 30 knots. METSAT imagery indicates that a circulation centre is located near 13.9 degrees south, 163.7 degrees east. The system is currently moving northward at 1 knot. And it's located about 53 nautical miles northwest of Port Vila. Animated multi-spectral satellite imagery and a 91 gigahertz microwave image depict low-level circulation wrapping around a partially exposed low-level circulation. An ASCAT pass shows 25 to 30 knot winds wrapping into the centre, low-level circulation centre. Environmental analysis reveals favourable development conditions with eastward and equatorward outflow, low to moderate 10 to 20 knot vertical wind shear, and a warm 29 to 30 Celsius sea surface temperatures. Global models indicate 91P will strengthen as it tracks southward, then south-southwest. Maximum sustained surface winds are estimated at 25 to 30 knots, and sea level pressure estimated to be around 1000 millibars. The potential for the development of a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours is high. And with it possibly tracking north, that raises an interesting question. Whilst the speed is only 1 knot, if it tracks further north and the second factor relates to a possible change in direction. The Bureau of Meteorology has also updated their position by the Tropical Cyclone Coral Sea 3-day outlook. Monsoon trough extends from Cape York to the northern Coral Sea region. Tropical low lies along the trough south of the Solomon Islands and just to the east of the Coral Sea region. Area responsibility eastern boundary is 160 degrees east. The Bureau says that the tropical low is expected to move slowly to the south over the next few days, remaining to the east of the 160 degree east, and this is in the Fiji's area responsibility. And environmental conditions improve over the weekend with a high potential for this system to develop into a tropical cyclone tomorrow or early next week. However, there's only the slight chance the system will be in the Coral Sea region of responsibility when it does develop into a tropical cyclone. And the Bureau has percentages for the next 3 days as low. The Vanuatu Meteorological Department is also monitoring the tropical low, and at 5 p.m. local time, tropical low 1000 millibars, located near 13.4 degrees south, 163.6 degrees east. This is about 430 kilometres west of Solar. For the past 12 hours, the system was moving in a northeasterly direction at 11 kilometres an hour. The potential for this system to become a tropical cyclone in the next 24 to 48 hours and move towards the Vanuatu group is moderate to high. Heavy rainfall expected throughout the Vanuatu group. Flash flooding is also expected over low-lying areas. Severe weather warning is currently in place for heavy rainfall for the northern and central provinces, and a strong wind warning for all coastal waters for the Vanuatu group also in place. Now here's a look at the GFS accumulated precipitation outlook. Information is at the bottom of the screen. There's not much information being provided at this point in time by the Fiji Met, and unfortunately they are a little bit slow to update, but the Vanuatu Met Office, they're definitely providing the information. This is a look at a live streaming webcam at Port Macquarie. Now here's a look at the upper level divergence. The divergence is around 30 to 40 knots. There is a outside possibility that we could see something developing or come on the radar up there in the Arafura Sea, northwestern Gulf of Carpentaria region. The wind shear, the red is unfavourable. The 24-hour shear tendency, as we know, tropical systems love the blue through to light green. And my favourite, the 850 millibar vorticity. The vorticity scale is on the right hand side of the screen. You can clearly see that it is developing, and look at that area around Gove, Northern Territory, northwest Gulf of Carpentaria. And in addition to the severe weather warnings, we'll have more in the morning. Enjoy the evening. And tropical cyclone Damien is now making landfall.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.